What is this? Where has it gone? Where is it? Where could it be? Stay. Stay. Oh dear. I've got it.
Blah blah Blabina.
My name is Blabina. What's your name? That's great! Do you want to see what's inside of this box? Let's open it. Oh. It's face paint!
Look at all these colors. Yellow, blue, green, black, white, orange, pink and red.
I have a great idea. I will paint my face and you can guess what animal I am. Okay? Let's do it.
I love face painting. Can you guess what animal I am? Am I a frog? No. Am I a giraffe? No. I am a butterfly. When butterflies get hungry, they eat nectar from plants and flowers. What animal do you think I could be? Am I a fish? No. Am I a monkey? No. I am an elephant. Did you know that elephants can't jump? And even though they have very, very big ears, they can't fly either. Who could I be this time? Am I a duck? No. How about a snail? Am I a snail? No. I am a doggy. like to sniff. Sniff, 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 sniff. Why? Because they have a strong sense of smell. They can smell your dinner from far, far away.
Did you like that? Which animal did you guess? You did? That's fantastic! You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. Do you want to see more Blabina videos? You do? That's fantastic! Search my name on YouTube, Blabina, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!
Your grown-ups can also find me on Instagram and Facebook.
Blah blah Blabina, blah blah Blabina, blah 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 Blabina, Blabina,
Blah 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 blah.